Sir, kayo magtanggal ng cap? Okay, sir. At si Julia ang maglalagay.
It's good to be here with the Philippine Coast Guard, you know, pagbigay rin tayo ng high moral sa kanila, pinaparamdam natin sa kanila na we appreciate them, and more than, ikaw alam mo to na I don't really like talking, I realized na parang pwede natin gamitin sa ganitong paraan eh. Like today, di ba? It wasn't just about me.
I'm very proud to have been part of this celebration and to witness this milestone for him, and I'm so proud of him because he really does his duties and really goes out there and loves to help.